Live here in Matiz, San Miguel, Zamboanga del Sur. This is GHCC Newscasting. Good evening, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I am Ludimar B. Baing, serving and giving you some news about what's happening in the world. This is the headlines of our report. Biodiversity loss, a pressing issue impacting economies, ecosystems, and communities worldwide. Here is Summer Conquera serving you and giving you some news.
Thank you, Chris. I am here in this field where they slowly cutting and clearing trees for agriculture and development. So this economic loss is catastrophic not only for wildlife but for local communities as well. Based on our interviews and the residents that are living here, they used to see animals like monkeys and birds. So without the forest, it feels like they are changing for the worse.
Across the globe, forests, wetlands, and coral reefs are disappearing at an unprecedented rate. Experts warn this could lead to the collapse of ecosystems that support our daily lives.
There are many areas affected by this crisis. Summer Conquera again, together with field expert and eyewitness by this crisis.
Here in Amazon, conservationists are working to restore biodiversity by protecting endangered species and introducing native plants. They are helping to restore the ecosystem. So programs like this are proofs that action makes difference.
Thank you for joining us, Dr. Diana. Can you help our viewers understand what's happening to our biodiversity and why it's such a big deal? So, biodiversity, as we all know, biodiversity is a variety of life. From tiny microbes to a massive mammals. It is the foundation of our ecosystem. So from such as clean air, water, food, and even medicine came from it. So when species disappear, the balance collapses. So that starts the problem that we see such as food shortage, extreme weather, and disease outbreaks. What's causing such a rapid loss? So, human activities are the primary cause of these problems, such as deforestation, pollution, overfishing, and even the climate change. For example, when forests are cleared, countless species lose their habitats. This triggers a domino effect of the impact of all the actions humans have caused in our environment. So we must be mindful of what we have to do and what our actions would impact our environment. Is there hope? What can we do to address this case? Absolutely, Ms. Summer, there is hope. We need stronger conservation, such as protecting habitats, reducing waste, and adapting the sustainable practices such as the 4Rs, the reduce, reuse, recycle, and even we have the repurpose. So, individuals can help by supporting eco-friendly initiatives. We less use plastics so we can preserve and no more plastics we can see in the environment. Planting native trees so we can preserve the deforestation of our trees, the cutted trees. We can restore them. And reducing those carbon footprints like using more transportation, using more vehicles and fuels. So fossils can become a greenhouse gases that causes pollution in the environment. So lessen those activities that causes our environmental destruction. We can help. There will be a hope to preserve our environment.
We need global cooperation to conserve and preserve the sustainable environment. Let's reduce waste and promote sustainable agriculture and protect our natural habitats.
Thank you, Ms. Summer Conquera. And that's the news we get for today's crisis. Remember, the fight to preserve biodiversity is the fight for our future. Again, I am Ludimar B. Baing, and this is JHCC Newscasting. Thank you and good day.